Welcome to the next installment in our Business Trends series. The world is becoming more environmentally conscious, and as a result, consumers are demanding that the products they buy are produced in a sustainable manner. UK businesses are responding by developing green supply chains to meet these demands and reduce their carbon footprint. This video will explore the 5 steps that companies can follow to develop a green supply chain and the benefits that come with it. Green supply chains are a trending topic for UK businesses as they look for ways to reduce their environmental impact and meet sustainability targets. Many businesses are now taking steps to green their supply chains by working with environmentally friendly suppliers, implementing sustainable processes, and tracking their carbon footprint. In addition, as consumers become more conscious of the environmental impact of products and services, businesses are also looking to improve their sustainability credentials in order to remain competitive. As such, it is likely that green supply chains will continue to be a major focus for UK businesses in the coming years. As the world moves towards net zero emissions, brands are increasingly looking to make their supply chains more sustainable. Many larger brands are committed to helping their suppliers become more sustainable, so working with them may provide opportunities for improvement. Proving your business is sustainable will put you in a better position to be chosen as a supplier or partner. Additionally, switching to environmentally friendly suppliers can not only make your business more sustainable, but also help it innovate new products and services. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, they are demanding that the products they buy are produced in a sustainable manner. Companies are responding by developing green supply chains to meet these demands and reduce their carbon footprint. A green supply chain involves the responsible sourcing of materials, the use of environmentally friendly production processes, and the reduction of waste throughout the supply chain. It also involves working with suppliers to ensure that they are operating in a sustainable manner. Here are 5 steps for UK businesses to develop a green supply chain. Step 1. Assess the environmental impact of your supply chain. The first step in developing a green supply chain is to assess the environmental impact of your current supply chain. This involves looking at every aspect of your supply chain, from the sourcing of raw materials, to the production processes, to the transportation of goods. You need to understand the carbon footprint of each part of your supply chain, so you can identify areas where you can make the biggest difference. Step 2. Identify opportunities to reduce your carbon footprint. Once you have assessed the environmental impact of your supply chain, you need to identify opportunities to reduce your carbon footprint. This may involve looking at alternative suppliers, changing production processes, or reducing waste. You may also need to invest in new technology or processes to reduce your carbon footprint. Step 3. Engage with suppliers. Engaging with your suppliers is an important part of developing a green supply chain. You need to work with your suppliers to ensure that they are operating in a sustainable manner. This may involve setting sustainability standards for suppliers, conducting regular audits, or working with suppliers to reduce their carbon footprint. Step 4. Implement sustainability initiatives. Once you have identified opportunities to reduce your carbon footprint and engaged with your suppliers, you need to implement sustainability initiatives. This may involve changing production processes, investing in renewable energy, or reducing waste. You need to be proactive in your approach to sustainability and take steps to ensure that your supply chain is as environmentally friendly as possible. Step 5. Monitor and report on your progress. Finally, it is important to monitor and report on your progress in developing a green supply chain. This involves tracking your carbon footprint, monitoring your sustainability initiatives, and reporting on your progress to stakeholders. This will help you to measure the success of your sustainability efforts and identify areas for improvement. Businesses should also consider using technology, such as sustainability software, to manage their green supply chain. This can help to streamline processes, track progress, and improve visibility across the supply chain. By incorporating technology into their sustainability efforts, businesses can ensure that their green supply chain is as effective and efficient as possible. In conclusion, green supply chains are becoming increasingly important for UK businesses in 2023. Companies that adopt sustainable practices in their supply chains will not only benefit the environment, but they will also improve their reputation with consumers and investors. By following the 5 steps, companies can develop a green supply chain that meets the demands of consumers and reduces their carbon footprint. Are you a business owner looking to grow your business but struggling with the cost? Well, you're in luck. With the use of tax incentives, you can offset the costs of your growth and expansion. Picture your business with more money to invest in new projects, new equipment, and hiring more staff. Imagine how much more successful your business could be with those extra resources. Now, the solution is simple. Take advantage of the various tax incentives available to UK businesses and watch your business soar to new heights. Don't wait any longer. Reach out to us today in the link below and let us help you maximize cash flow to scale your business growth.